Hey guys, welcome back to our Facebook page. So today using the paper cup we'll be making this beautiful flower. So cut the paper cup in the way as shown in the video. Now using different color we will color the petals using yellow color and its stem. Next, take a paper cup, cut it like this as shown in the video. Now make the frills out of it. Now fix them into each other one by one and your beautiful hat will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a paper cup, draw the lines on it like this. Now cut it out. Remove the unwanted strips. Now fold these strips from the sides. Now put a straw in the between and then put it on a paper cup and your garbage catcher is ready. Next, take a plastic bottle and then cut it out in the shape shown. Color it using different colors. Put a straw in it. Now we will put the fairy light inside it like. Now take a paper cup, fill it with clay like this and then put the straw in it. Now decorate it by putting the leaves on it and the mushrooms around it and your lamp is ready. Next, we will take a paper cup and cut it as shown in the video. So here we are making a flower. Cut it from the sides to make the leaves. Now we will color it using the different colors. You can color it of your choice. Draw its eyes and mouth and its stem. Next, we will take a pink color paper cup, cut it from the top like this. Now cut it from the half. Now we will take another paper cup, make the holes in it using the needle. Now cut it from the side as well. Now we will make a hole on the another cup and put the thread in it. Now pull out the thread. Now stick it to the another cup like this. So here we are making a dragon and then we will make its hands, teeth, eyes, tail and its stem. Next, we will take another paper cup, cut it from the between like this. So here we are making a flower. We will cut it from the sides to make the petals. Color it using different colors of your choice. Put the yellow color clay in the between and make the lines on it like this. Stick it to the stick and its stem. Next, take another paper cup, make a hole in it like this. Now put a stick inside it and then fix it in the paper cup using this string as shown in the video. After that, we will paste some ice cream sticks inside it. So here we are making a Santa Claus. Make its face, stick its eyes, hat and its mustache. Now take another red color paper, make its body, stick its hands and legs and its stem. Next, take a paper cup and cut the frills out of it like this. Now use the jute thread to roll it around it. Put the jute thread one by one like this on the paper cup. Now cut the remaining portion. Now take a plastic bottle, cut out a strip from it and then roll it using the jute thread. Fix it on the basket. Now using the tissue paper and the mask, we will decorate it like this and your beautiful basket is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.